Ladies and gentlemen, the march past salute begins. Approaching the saluting dice is the first marching contingent of the Meghalaya Police East Festival DEF. Dedicated to maintaining peace, protecting the community, and upholding the law, this contingent stands as a symbol of courage, discipline, and service. This contingent with sharp precision and military bearing they rendered a salute to the chief guest under the flagging commander of Monastar Lindor. Following the first Parate contingent is the Ramakrishna Mission NCC JSD JD Boys contingent commanded by Nami Panchak Kupar Dakhar. This contingent reaches the saluting dice, honoring the chief guest and the nation they pledged to serve. Now arriving at the saluting dice, we have the Ramakrishna Mission NCC, SW and JW Girls contingent under commander of J.P. Macrodor Province. Showing precision, pride and commitment at every step. Next, the St. John Bosco Girls High Secondary School NCC marching towards the saluting dice with grace, discipline and confidence under the command of Iman Sarwar Lindor Rintakian. Approaching the saluting dice, the 2 Meghalaya Battalion NCC contingent Sohra Government College, commanded by the senior under officer Jason L. Hattery, along with the placard holder Jeremiah Tindo, marching with pride, discipline, and dedication to the service of the nation. Now arriving at the saluting dice, the NCC contingent from St. Peter and Paul Secondary School, Mauritius, under commander of Lieutenant M. Marat, bring vibrant energy and enthusiasm. Following them is the Agapin Secondary School contingent, led by Commander Palma Christie Sohra, with placard holder Valerie Riatam and flag bearer Meban Prashant Valencia, showcasing unity and dedication. Marching the saluting dice is the St. Peter and Paul Secondary School Mauritius Sohra, led by Commander Wansaka Harmati with placard holder David Hawkin and flag bearer Marvin Chen.
Labun ba ang agency mo?
St. Peter's and Paul Secondary School Mauritius Sohra, led by passing their saluting dice. Following closely, the 8th Parate contingent is the Sohra Government High Secondary School Sohra, led by Commander Martin Cooper Punro with placard holder Eva Manhashisha M. Marat, flag bearer Rishan Slam Lindor. On reaching the saluting dice, this contingent affords a salute to the chief guest. At number 10, we have the Parate contingent of Ramakrishna Mission Secondary School, Maumalo. Jeddah Presbyterian passing the saluting dice at number. The commander is Husni Nong. saluting dice is the St. Louis Secondary School commanded by Nevan Square, placard holder Pamela I. Nong, and flag bearer Subankar Roy, stepping forward with grace, discipline, and confidence. St. Louis Secondary School passing the saluting dice. Next, St. John Bosco Girls High Secondary School, NCC, marching towards the saluting dice with grace, discipline, and confidence, under the command of Vikan Saram, Mentor Lentasiang. Next, the Maurice Patrick King High Secondary School, Ladino, led by Commander Dapin Shisha Nong with placard holder Edika Dingto and flag bearer Bashisha Bosan. Stepping towards the saluting dice in harmony with the spirit of independence. Following closely the 8th Parate contingent is the Sohra Government High Secondary School, Sohra, led by Commander Madam Cooper Pingo. Placard holder Imam and Hashisha M. Marang and flag bearer Visham Scan Lindor.
Maurice Patrick